today's video is going to be a tutorial on this grungy reddish look right here. I really wanted to use this red mascara that I have from Colourpop. This is the BFF mascara in Left on Red. I love the name, it's so clever. And I really wanted to do like a grungy look. I know we're in winter now and you know, grungy is more like fall, but whatever. Like, I just really want to do a grungy look. So if you want to see how I got this grungy look with using this red mascara, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with this Juvias Mini Masquerade palette. And I'm starting off with the shade Burkina. This is going to serve as my transition shade. Now I'm going to take Ada and I'm going to apply that in my crease, but I'm kind of applying it all over as well. Because I'm not going to have a lid shade, like a shimmery shade. Everything's going to be very matte. But I'm focusing this color in my crease, but I'm also applying it sparingly as well. And I'm going to take this dark burgundy-ish shade from my e.l.f. Berry Bad palette. And I'm just going to apply this as my lid shade. And I'm using matte everywhere, no shimmer. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending away any harsh lines. This look is super simple, very easy, but it is an all matte look and you just have to make sure that all your colors are blended. I'm going to go in with two primers, the Faced Hangover RX primer and the Milk Hydropgrip primer. Now I'm going to take the Hourglass Veil Stick foundation in the shade Golden Almond. This is one of my favorite foundations ever, whether it's liquid or stick. I just love this one. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is my favorite concealer right now. I use this concealer almost every single day. I just discovered it actually, and I know it's been out for a long time, but I just love this concealer. I cannot get enough of it. And to set all of that, I'm taking my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, one of my favorite setting powders. And to set the rest of my face, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish micro powder. I have mine in the shade 4 Deep. It's the darkest shade. Since I'm doing a grunge look, I thought I would do a cooler contour. I didn't want to do bronzing because I feel like with the whole look I wanted to go more cool. So I'm just taking these two shades from the Profusion contour palette and mixing them, and I'm going to contour today, not bronze, contour. For blush, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in Mellow Wine. This is a very natural blush and this look is very cool toned, so I'm not really trying to go in with like a super bright blush, just very natural and subtle. And I'm taking this Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and mine is in the shade Prosecco Please. Very beautiful, very subtle, very natural highlight. And I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really like this setting spray a lot. It gives you that nice airbrush finish. It's just very expensive, so I only use it very sparingly because I ain't buying another one. And now for my lower lash line, I'm going back into Ada and I'm just smudging that on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking that berry shade from the e.l.f. palette and I'm going to smudge my lower lash line as well with that shade. Now I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Forever Wear Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Brownstone. I'm just going to tightline with this eyeliner just to, you know, tightline. And I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curler. I bought this on Sephora for $20 and sometimes I regret buying it because it was $20 for an eyelash curler. It's really pretty though. For mascara, I'm taking the ColourPop BFF Volumizing Mascara in the shade Left on Red. This is such a pretty mascara. This is what inspired the look that I did today. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking the Thrive Cosmetic Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. That's my dog's name too. To line my lips, I'm taking the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade Club Hopper. This is a very deep brown shade. I'm going for a very cool tone brown lip. And this is a very dark brown. So beautiful. And now I'm taking the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Chocolate Wasted. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked my grunge makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!